Are you looking for info about Salt Lake City roof repairs? You're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about getting your roof repaired in Salt Lake City, with a focus on finding the best value. First, let's talk about the top 3 mistakes homeowners make when seeking roof repairs. Many rush into hiring without proper research. It's essential to review potential contractors and get multiple quotes. To avoid this mistake, take time to research and compare contractor reviews. Getting multiple estimates will help you understand the true price for roof repair in Salt Lake City. Understanding the cost for roof repair in Salt Lake City is crucial. Prices can vary based on season, materials used, and contractor availability. So, knowing these factors helps you budget accurately. Now, many homeowners don't consider how weather can impact roof repairs. For example, heavy snowfall can cause roof damage, resulting in emergency repairs. Always keep your roof in check. Now, let's move on to some frequently asked questions about roof repairs in Salt Lake City to help homeowners like you make informed decisions. Let's start with a big question. How much should I expect to pay for roof repairs? The average across Salt Lake City is around $3,000, but can vary widely based on your specific needs. Another common question is about emergency repairs. Now, many roofs need immediate attention after sudden damage, which is critical for preventing additional issues from cropping up. Finally, how often should you get your roof inspected? Experts recommend a thorough inspection at least once a year, especially in regions with harsh weather conditions. So, to wrap things up, if you're dealing with roof issues in Salt Lake City, don't wait. Call us now at 385-300-1135. We're ready to help with your roofing issues right now. Check our website, allprosroofingsaltlakecity.com.